Hello everyone. Before going into the topic, if you need any subjects from BTech first to third years for electronics and communication engineering, please comment below. I'm ready to explain you. It may be any subject or any topic. And let's get into the topic, that is major application areas of the embedded system. So first one is consumer electronics. This comes under the examples: cameras or camcorders. These display the videos or photos which have been captured. And next, household appliances like TV, DVD player, washing machine, fridge, micro oven, etc. It used to heat up the items, food items. It used to freeze or make the cool to the items, or to prevent the medicines. Or washing machine is used to wash the clothes, DVD player is to play the songs or anything, and TV is used for the entertainment. Next, home automation and security alarms. Home automation is nothing, comes under the AC, that is used for the raising or decreasing the temperature. And fire alarms, it may be used in the industries or hospitals or in education institutes. And automotive industry, that is anti-lock braking system, that is used in the vehicles for the anti-lock systems. And engine control, it used in the industries to control few engines. And automatic navigation systems may be used in the mobile phones to get the destination, to find the destination. And telecom, cellular telephones, switches, handset, multimedia applications, this all comes under the telecom examples. And next, computer peripherals, these are the devices connected to the computer, that are printer to printouts, to get the information as printouts, and to scan the information, and to fax the information. And next one is computer networking systems. These are network routers, switches, hubs, firewalls. So these may be switches to on and off the signal passing, or routers, it may be used for the Wi-Fi's or firewalls to indicate the dangerous situations. And healthcare, these are the examples: EEG, ECG, scanners, x-rays, all these comes under the healthcare. These used to measure the heart rate or scan the entire body. And next, measurement instrumentation, these are the examples, that is digital multimeters, that are it is a combination of voltmeter and ammeter. So to detect the voltage and current, digital multimeters are used. And digital CROs displays the voltage, time and frequencies. Next, banking and retail, the ATM and currency counters comes under bank and retail. ATM used to draw the money, and currency counters used to count the number of notes in certain time. Next, card readers, so these are the barcode, smart card readers, handheld devices. So barcode is nothing but, you can see in the figure, that is, it is like a line symbol, different line is of different width with the different numbers under below. So if we scan it, the complete details of the specific item will be displayed. And next, wearable devices like health and fitness trackers, like if we use watches or any specific apps, it makes us to know how much calories it have been, our body have been burnt, or else what is the heart rate or BP, like they will be having BP or corona tests devices, right? So all these are the devices. And cloud computing and internet of things, these are the routers or servers help in the cloud computing and internet of things. Thank you.